Keeping your ERPNext system up to date is key to running your business smoothly. Updates bring bug fixes, improvements, and sometimes even new features. Let's walk through how to update your ERPNext version using Frappe Cloud. First, open your browser and navigate to your site on frappecloud.com. Log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, go to the Settings section. This is your control center for managing your ERPNext system. If an update is available, you'll see an option labeled Upgrade Version or Change Track. This means your setup meets the prerequisites for an upgrade. Click on it and choose the version you want to upgrade to. For example, ERPNext version 15 if that's the latest release. Selecting the correct version is important as it determines the features and improvements you'll get. Once you confirm, Frappe Cloud automates the upgrade process for you. This ensures the system updates efficiently and correctly without requiring manual intervention. While the upgrade runs, it's a good idea to ensure all recent transactions and processes in your ERP system are backed up. This safety net protects your data in case a restore is needed. And that's it. With a few simple steps, your ERPNext system will be running the latest version, improving efficiency, security, and stability for your organization. Regular updates ensure your system stays bug-free and benefits from all the latest features ERPNext has to offer. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more ERPNext tutorials and tips.